Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As yesterday we had very big event of the Stellar, and that was also a trending and hot event on the CoinMarketCap and on different websites as well. And that was the unofficial airdrop of 5 billion VWV tokens. And for more details, you can also visit this site. That 5 billion VWV tokens will be distributed as an airdrop to Stellar XLM holders. So if you are a Stellar XLM holder, you should visit this site for more details. Now, if we watch on the live chart, then the price action has crossed above the moving averages we have already discussed in my previous videos as well. And after retesting the 100 simple moving average, the price action again turned very strong bullish. And at this time, we are at a very long distance from the 25 simple moving average. And that is a bit critical because we don't have any immediate support of the simple moving average just below the price action. Therefore, if the price action would start any correction rally, then it can retest the previous immediate support of any simple moving average up to this level. Therefore, I'm expecting that the 25 simple moving average will be moved up very soon to provide the support to the price action. And the reason behind that, why the price action is stuck here at this level, you can see that we have several touches at this level. At 10 cents level, the price action is not able to move up. Is one reason is the resistance of this up channel. Another reason is the strong resistance of 10 cents. That is working same as like the 10,000 resistance level is working for the Bitcoin. So same as like that, the 10 cents resistance level is working for the XLM as well. And we can see that the price action is still moving since after the mid of March within this up channel. And I've also placed this pitchfork tool here to show you the long-term projection. If the price action will be not able to break out or break down the resistance or the support of the channel, then we can see using this tool that how much the price action can move up. So in case if the price action will be not able to break out or break down, then we can expect that the price action will be moving up, and our next resistance level up to 20th of October, we can see that will be our resistance will be at 12 cents, 12.3 cents. So that will be better if the price action will be not able to break out or break down and still moving in this up channel. And if we watch the different indicators with the combination of this pitchfork tool, then we can see that yesterday or a day before yesterday, the price action was going to start a correction rally, but after a bearish candlestick, the price action is again moved up and hitting the resistance of the channel. That is really very positive move, and we have also received a bull cross by this stochastic indicator. This blue one is the bullish line and this red one is the bearish line. Whenever this blue line crosses up the bearish line, so this is a buying signal and it is giving a signal that the price action is turning bullish. But so far we can see that this MACD indicator is turning weak bullish from strong bullish. It was strong bullish, but now it is turning weak bullish. And I'm expecting that it will be also turned bullish again from here if this stochastic bull cross will be remain the same here. Now, if we watch the different support and resistance levels that on this 2-day chart, then I've already told you that this 10 cent resistance level is working same as like the 10,000 resistance level is working for the Bitcoin, very strong resistance level. The 10 cent is working a very strong resistance for the price action of XLM on this chart. And the price action is moving between the 8 cents and 10 cents resistance level. And so far, since the price action has broken out this 8 cents resistance level, the price action did not retest the previous resistance as a support. So we can expect maybe the price action will start a correction rally and it will retest the previous support, and after that it will be moved up. But if the 25 or any other simple moving average will be moved up from here to provide the support to the price action, in that case the price action cannot it will be difficult for the price line to move up to the support of 8 cents. And if we watch on this chart that I have been sharing with you since last year, that the price action is going to start a repetitive move like it had here back in 2016 to 2017, and produced more than 4,000% bullish rally after the completion of this bullish bad pattern on the weekly chart. Now the price action has formed a very big bullish bad pattern on the monthly chart. So this is the bigger bad pattern than the previous one. And at this time, the price action is moving in the potential reversal zone. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action is now gearing up. And as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad pattern, it can enter in this area very easily. That is 23 cents up to 41.3 cents. However, if the price action will be able to cross up this level, 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then it can produce more than the previous one bullish rally. But realistically, I'm expecting this move from 23 cents up to 41.3 cents. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this blog that I've just started a few days back, and I'm also sharing complete analysis with all the details, with all targets here. For example, if I'll forget to share anything with you in video, then I'll share all the things here on this blog. And I hope that you will support my blog as you are supporting my channel as well. I am also sharing the link of this blog in the video's description. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.